Welcome to London, baby. You lot love it when I have a stressful day. I'll tell you what, you wait until you hear about my day. I am heading to the World Travel Market. I'm currently going on the Central line because the Elizabeth line is closed. I've had a day from hell. It's not even started. But I'm taking you with me because I know you thrive on my stress. Other people seem happy. I am not. Come on. Let's get to the XL from Tottenham Court Road to the World Travel Market on a very stressful day. And why am I wearing glasses? Well, I'll bloody tell you about that as well. So, I've lost a contact lens in my eye. If you haven't seen the videos before, as you know, I've been pissing around with my eyes, and I put a contact lens in this morning, started walking and thought, I can't actually see properly, I'm going to go and check if it's in. I can't find it. It's at the back of my eye somewhere. I don't know what to do. So I've got my glasses on today. And I'm trying to see if I can feel it. Anybody else wear contact lenses? And one disappeared? Anyway, that's enough of that. Then I get to the bloody tube station. Elizabeth line is cancelled. And I've got to get on another one now. I am bloody stressed. Welcome to London. You lot love a good old stressful Mr. Travel on day though, don't you? I honestly don't know how you lot do this day in, day out, Londoners. Oh my days. And why is it so freaking hot? It's cold out there. Everyone says it's freezing in England. Yes, it's cold. But the minute you get anywhere indoors, what do? Put the coals on the fire or something? It's like freezing outside and red hot inside. That tube was like, I'm sweating here. I'm going to take this bloody jacket off. Oh, right, we've got to find the DLR line now. Oh, it's noisy. This is bloody crazy, but that's where we're going, DLR that way. Thank God I came a little bit later. I mean, it's past 9 o'clock. I'm running a little bit late, thanks to the contact lens which is somewhere in this bloody eye. Look at my eye as well. Bloodshot to hell. I've got to meet people today. I think I've been on the vendor or something. In fact, most of them lot have been on the vendor. Like I said, so we're heading to the World Travel Market. It's a big event for travel industry and stuff like that. Being as I am in the travel industry, I'm not just a knobhead with a camera. I actually sort of know what I'm talking about now and again. But most of them will be hanging out their arse today anyway, and that's why I came on day 2. Day 1 is all about photos, shaking hands, politicians acting like they give a shit, and getting in the local press. Oh, look at us doing this and this. Realistically, it's just a massive jolly for everybody. But I come to get free stuff as well, because you go around and you can collect stuff, and so I'm going to have a good old laugh. Although I am going to take it seriously and do some, work, try and find some destinations that I can show you lot, and maybe, I don't know, get some invites to places and hotels so I can really sort of show you everything. I'm there for the free stuff. You get loads of free stuff. The first thing I've got to get is a bag. Anyone giving away a free bag there, I'll pick one of them up first, put my bottle of water in there, put my jacket in there, boom, I am rocking and rolling. But this is a long walk to the DLR, and it seems to me everybody is getting the DLR by the looks of it, literally. I don't even know where I'm going. I mean, I'm getting in here. This is madness, absolute craziness. I'm definitely on the right one. Just a few people with the WTM lanyards on. I could not do this on a day-to-day basis. This would stress me out. Unbelievable. I'll tell you a little story as well when I get off. We're now stuck. Well, we were stuck a minute ago. But it's like live commentary from the driver. I didn't know that. I thought it was all pre-recorded. But he's just said there something's going on up the top, and we stopped for a bit. It's absolute madness. Views though, look. There you go.
Change and remain on the same platform for services towards Lewisham via Canary Wharf.
There you go. I think that's where we're going. I'm just going to follow these. Like, look, they all know what they're doing.
Behind this one,
this geezer that's doing the commentary.
another option, as it is a nice mild morning, if you could, just to make things a bit easier on everybody, consider walking from Canning Town. It's approximately 12-15 minutes. Quite a nice walk along the dockside.
There you go.
Unless, of course, you like cramming into small holes.
I'm cramming into small holes.
That's your thing, then do wait for the banking service at Canning Town.
He's a good lad, him. He's like really funny as well. He's been commentating all the way. Didn't know they did that on the tube, so it was all robots and pre-recorded. See, humans do still exist. I can't see a bloody thing with these on and them on. Let us get off first. People are getting on and people are getting off. Come on, let's get off. Oh my God. Some people are getting on, some people are getting off. It's absolute carnage. Well, we're all going to the same place, I think, and it said to wait for the next train. Bollocks to that. 12 minutes, he said, a walk. I think we should walk. What do you reckon? No chance I am standing in this mayhem. No chance at all. Let's get the fuck out of here. We'll walk. Actually, no, we won't, because if I'm right, I think he said get off at Canning, and I've just got off here. I didn't listen properly. Right, I'm back. Oh, dear gosh. So, we're getting this next one. Someone's just said she's trying to leave. I'm just trying to survive, darling. I'll tell you a story about that train as well. Someone on there. I think this is ours. I'm just going to follow these, look. Train's arrived. It's a Beckton. It's full. Nobody's getting on this. London rules, baby. You just got to push your way on. Let's think. I might get the next one. I don't know. This is madness. Absolute madness. Right, I should have listened. I should have stayed on and got off at Canning Town, which I think I'm going to do now. And then I'm going to walk 12 minutes. Then I'm going to come and see this lady about Kenya. We're going to Kenya, baby. We're going on a safari. Can I go on a safari?
Yes, you can.
There you go. She's
In
taking me
dream.
on.
I'll tell you the dream.
Oh, okay. We're rocking it. We're rocking it. This is what the people in the know do. Look, we have got on. Now we're going to Canning Town, and then we're going to take a nice leisurely walk with some beautiful scenery, and we're going to arrive there. 12-minute walk. This could go all wrong. Call me an Uber. This is absolute madness now. Now I'm in Cross Harbour, and that wasn't the train to get on, because it's gone completely the wrong way. We're all lost. We're all lost. Could be an Uber. Might be the best way. We are getting an Uber, and I am taking these ladies with me. Yes, indeed. There you go. My good deed for the day. Being as we got on the wrong train, I'm doing good in the world. We are getting an Uber, and I'm paying for it. Can't say fairer than that, can you? When in doubt, call an Uber. There you go. We're on our way. How long does it take? 10. Not long, is it? Yeah. We'll be there in a bit. These are my new friends in the back. Look. Say hello.
Hello.
There you go. Tell you what, we're going around the world.
What happened?
Our Uber driver's got out because he's had enough. But look, we're waiting for that bridge to go right up and then come down, and then we'll be rocking and rolling. People are moving. I don't know where they're planning on going. Yeah. We're going alternative. Boom. Look at that. Right, everyone's doing the same. Most people are trying to get this bloody taxi. We have been sat in a taxi for about half an hour now because the road is chock-a-block. Everything's chock-a-block. The tubes are going crazy. We've seen a few people just get out and walk, and we're literally a minute and a half, 2 minutes away from the XL. But to drive there takes another 35, 40 minutes from here. So it's absolute mayhem. So we are now walking. That is what we're doing. Mad. See, look, it's not as nice as Kenya though. At least we won't see any lions and tigers on the way. Look, look, people are beeping. Look at him! He knows who I am.
All the way from there.
What is going on in this bloody place? We're delayed and everything. You all right? Yeah.
Enjoy your stuff.
Quick! Come on! No way. London cabbie spots Mr. Travelon in need. I should have said, get me to the bloody XL. No way. Proper black cab driver as well. That's madness. That is crazy business, isn't it? Right. I mean, this video was meant to be all about the world travel market. I think this video is just going to be my stressful day in London. This is absolute craziness. Let's just get walking. It's actually showing a 20-minute walk when it's literally over there. I have no freaking idea of this, to be fair, but I'm following people with suitcases. All right, look, here we go. We're nearly here. I can see cable cars over there. I should have just got one of them. But there's lots of people walking now, look. We're all coming from all sorts of different directions. And it says about 10 minutes from here. And this, well, this is the problem. Look at the traffic. Look at the traffic. Madness. The problem that we've got now is getting in, because if everybody's delayed, everybody's going to be turning up late. And the lady that was there yesterday, that was in the taxi, she said yesterday it was really disorganised. So we should or could still have some more fun to get through. So, well, let's get here first and then we'll decide what we're going to do. Might just get the train to Birmingham and sod off. Dear God. Unbelievable day. Still can't find this bloody contact lens and I can't feel it either. I've had enough. I've had an absolute enough today. So according to Google, we're 6 minutes away. And yeah, what an absolute disaster. Oh my God. Lesson learned. When in doubt, follow the crowds. I wonder if them people that were trying to get on the other tubes, which were like all just pulling up full, actually have got there as well, or not. Probably have, haven't they? I don't know whether I screwed that up or whoever screwed it up. Who knows? I can see people with badges walking in the opposite direction, which hopefully means that we're in the right place, and hopefully doesn't mean there's a massive backlog of people trying to get in. I've got 2 meetings booked and I'm running late. I don't like to be late. Unbelievable. There you go. But I think everyone's in the same boat and it's looking like we've arrived, and I can see hundreds and hundreds of people. Oh my days. Here we are. Looks like we made it. Look. Here's the XL. Look. That ship apparently is a hotel. Should have bloody stopped there, shouldn't I? The yacht hotel. Next time I'm stopping there. Make a good video as well, wouldn't it, that? Imagine stopping there and then you just have to wake up and walk across here. You wouldn't have this bullshit, would you? Doesn't seem too busy. Let's hope we get in. Well, we're here. We are here. I'm just looking. Hang on. Looking glasses. I'm just looking. There's a few people outside. I reckon we'll be straight in here. I reckon we'll be all right. Everyone's going to be delayed, so. Well, will everybody be delayed, or is it just stupid people like me? Apparently, it doesn't open until 10:30 anyway. Look at that. British Airways flying above us. Oh, right, let's get up these steps. Let's get up here and let's get in. There you go, it doesn't look too bad, does it? Please have your tickets ready, it says. Happy days. Right, there you go. I'm going to end this video because it was all meant to be about the World Travel Market, wasn't it? It's not. That was getting to the World Travel Market, the XL. That's my crazy day, or my crazy morning in London. Welcome to the XL. Welcome to the World Travel Market. The next video is going to be all about the World Travel Market. See you later. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe.